This foot at the top of the mat, let's take that knee and bend it. Pointing that knee in the smaller toes, a little bit to the outside, just a little bit. Spine is nice and long. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, shoulders back and down. Turn the torso towards the top of the mat. Bend that front knee. Watch the knee so it's going over the smaller toes. Here's your warrior one. The foot at the top of the mat with the knee bent is your right knee. Right hand comes forward and the left hand comes back into warrior two. Spine is perpendicular to the earth, not leaning forward, not leaning back, nice and strong. Fingers are long and far apart from each other. Shoulders are down. Chest is lifted, tailbone pointing down.